guys, it's me again. It looks like today it's a video day. So I've decided to do our dinner. It's a little bit late. I'm going to do a minestrone, and so I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients that I have prepared already. So I did say earlier, when you see the video that we did on the supermarket, Polish supermarket, I did say I would use these little pasta shapes. So I'm putting about 25 grams of that in my soup. This is a leek that I have sliced, a potato sliced and cubed, some greenery. It's Cavolo Nero. It's an Italian it's an Italian, well, greenery. It's like a type of cabbage, I guess. And then here I have got swede, turnip and sweet potato, a tin of plum tomatoes and some beans.
What sort of beans are they?
Rosecoco. Well, it's Rosecoco. Then I've got some fresh basil from my little basil plant on the windowsill, and the spices that I'm going to add are some vegan bouillon, some garlic granules, dry parsley, dry herbs, white pepper and paprika, and a little bit of, I don't know whether I've told you.
It was in the Christmas one, the rock salt concoction.
Yes.
Look at our Christmas dinner video.
Yes. So shall we
see it at about 13.5 minutes into the Christmas Day video.
I am actually now roasting a little teaspoon of fennel seeds in here, and I'm toasting that, roasting, not toasting. And then after that I'm going to add, it's basically a one pot wonder for me tonight. So virgin olive oil, I'm going to add a dessert spoon of that, and then we'll carry on. These are my roasted fennel seeds. I think they go in there. Then I'm just going to add my leeks, potatoes, sweet potato, turnip and swede in there. My salt mixture, teaspoon of garlic granules, half a teaspoon, quarter of a teaspoon, I would say, of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of veg bouillon, 1 teaspoon of dry parsley, and half a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs. So now I am going to, excuse me, turn all that together. Smells really lovely. And I have some hot water. I'm going to put a teaspoon paprika. In here, a full glass of, smells really nice. The onions, the leek has nicely not softened, but got caramelized a little bit, so that will give flavor. And I'm just turning everything through so that all the spices can get together. I'm going to let that boil, and then it's a matter of adding my greens, my chopped tomato, my beans, my pasta and then let it cook for about half hour, 20 minutes, depending, 20 minutes to half hour, and then at the end sprinkle with a little bit of fresh basil. And that's it, that's our dinner for tonight. There is something that I forgot to add. It's a couple of bay leaves. So I've added the bay leaves in there.
20 minutes later.
So how much liquid now?
Well, it's about 1.5, well, 2 of these.
2 pints.
Yeah. And now vegetables are okay. They're not cooked yet, but they are just starting to break. So I'm going to add all my other stuff now. My pasta, my beans, my green, this is a big pan of soup, so I will be taking quite a bit to work for my lunch. So this is going to cook. Oh, my tomatoes, plain tomatoes. I'm going to squash it a little bit in there, and this is going to cook for let the pasta cook for about 15 minutes, and that's it. All I've got to do after is sprinkle this with the top with a little bit of chopped fresh basil, and we are done. Dinner will be ready in 15 minutes. Let's taste the broth. Perfect. Enough salt, enough spices, really nice. Yum.
Let me just show you the pasta again in case you missed it. This is the Polish pasta, the small types. Lejejne, Libella. This is the small circular pasta there. That's gone in to the pan. So yeah, 15 minutes according to the bunny, and we'll be eating the minestrone. We'll show you how that looks in the dish.
Teddy likes it chunky. So these are the pasta cooked, everything is cooked. I'm just going to remove the bay leaves, a couple of bay leaves, and I'm going to add my chopped fresh basil, and we're ready to serve. That's it, that's dinner ready. We're going to eat now.
It looks fantastic, full of colour and flavour there. There we have it then, guys. That's the minestrone that the bunny has created, and we shall now enjoy it. Is the bunny happy?
Yes, very happy.
Super, so we'll see you on the next cooking video, if not before that.
Right, let's eat.
Say goodbye, bun.
Bye.